Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Honda Civic key battery. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 3-volt coin battery. Make sure your workspace is clean and well lit, providing clear visibility for each step. This entire process is straightforward and typically takes less than 5 minutes to complete, getting you back on the road quickly. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by locating the small notch or slot on the side of your key fob. This is usually where the two halves meet. Gently insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With careful and steady pressure, slowly twist the screwdriver. This action will gently pry apart the two halves of the key fob, revealing the internal components and the battery. With the key fob open, it's time to replace the battery. First, take a moment to observe how the old battery is positioned, noting which side faces up. This ensures correct installation of the new one. Using your small flathead screwdriver, gently pry out the old depleted battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards into the compartment. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob, ensuring all internal components are properly seated. Gently press the two halves together, applying even pressure until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, stand near your vehicle and test all the key fob's functions, such as locking and unlocking, to confirm it is working correctly. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.